Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unpin bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been using Chrome, you may have noticed some changes in how bookmarks are managed. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once it's open, you'll see your familiar browsing interface. Next, look for the bookmarks icon at the top of the page. This icon usually resembles a small star or a horizontal bar, depending on your settings. Click on it to reveal your bookmarks menu. This is where all your saved bookmarks are organized for easy access. Now, here comes the crucial part: unpinning your bookmarks. Locate the pin icon next to the bookmark you wish to unpin. This icon typically looks like a small pin or tack. Click on this icon and voila! Your bookmark will be unpinned from the bookmarks bar. If you have multiple bookmarks pinned and want to unpin them all, simply repeat the process for each one. It's that straightforward. Remember, unpinning does not delete your bookmarks. It just removes them from the visible bookmarks bar, keeping your workspace clean and organized. In conclusion, managing your bookmarks in Google Chrome has never been easier with this new update. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, clicking on the bookmarks icon, and then clicking on the pin icon, you can easily customize your browsing experience to suit your needs better. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!